In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Nvidia GeForce Overlay not working. So there's a couple of different ways to fix this. You'll just need to find the solution that works for you. So the first method is by heading over to your start menu and searching for settings and then clicking on the settings window. From the left hand side, click on apps and then select installed apps. Now in this search box, you want to type in the word GeForce, and if you're using the GeForce application, then you want to go ahead and uninstall it from your computer. As you can see down here, I've already uninstalled it, so nothing will appear. But essentially, this GeForce Experience application is actually an outdated app. So what you're going to do is remove this from your computer, and then you need to head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, type in Nvidia app download, and then just click on this top search result here. So once you're on the official GeForce website, you'll see this option to download the Nvidia app. So go ahead and click on this download now button, and this is the newest Nvidia app that's basically replacing the GeForce Experience. So you just want to double click on the installation file and then go through the steps on the screen to install this to your computer. Now, once you have the Nvidia app installed, you can simply open up the application, click on settings from the left hand side, and down here you'll see this option for overlay. So first of all, you want to make sure it's enabled like so, and then you can see the shortcut key here is Alt plus Z on your keyboard. So you just want to try pressing the keys and checking to see if that brings up the overlay. If it doesn't work, then you can also try pressing this overlay button over here, and sometimes that can also fix your issue. Now, if you have tried all of these steps so far and it's not working for you, then what you'll need to do is head back over to the settings app on your computer, click on system from the left hand side, select display, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on graphics. And now from these list of applications, you'll need to add the Nvidia app. So to do that, you need to click on this browse button here, come over to your C drive, click on program files, then come all the way down to Nvidia Corporation and double click on this, double click on the Nvidia app, and then double click on CEF. Now the first thing you need to do is double click on this Nvidia app.exe, and as you can see, it's going to be added to the list, and then you just need to click on options and make sure high performance is selected and then hit save. And then you want to come back up to the top and hit browse again, and this time we're going to scroll down and add the Nvidia overlay.exe, double click on this, and once again just change this to high performance and hit save. And then once you've done that, you'll need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you can launch up the Nvidia app, and that should have now fixed any overlay issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.